The World Symposium on Global Encounters in Southeast Asian Performing Arts is a platform of exploration in search of a lasting live performance culture that can establish the influential and sustainable position in Southeast Asia, regardless of whether it is expressed in the traditional, contemporary, or postmodern form. It is a communal gathering for performing arts academics, practitioners, and enthusiasts with the aim of establishing a productive dialogues and common ground with regard to ways in which Southeast Asian creative arts will survive under the tremendous pressure of the global spectrum of change currently taking place. In short, it is the interdisciplinary approach to the way in which Southeast Asian performing arts will encounter the world from their own perspective. The event includes the International Theatre Conference, workshop, keynote speaker, the International Theatre Festival, traditional ASEAN Theatre Showcase, new media, and performing arts installation projects. There are 4 productions in the International Theatre Festival, beginning with The Judgment, or in Thai, Kampipaksa. It is a play based on a Southeast Asian award-winning novel, followed by The Balcony, a world-renowned French play by Chong Jae-ning, performed in Thai language. Then, Nora Ancestor, a Thai contemporary dance, which is a reinterpretation of the ritual ceremony in southern Thailand. Finally, it is 6 Pinocchios by All Soul Theatre from Italy. There are 5 productions from the traditional ASEAN Theatre Showcase: Myanmar Marionette, Barong Dance from Bali, Indonesia, Chinese Opera from Singapore, Makyong, the dance drama from Malaysia, and Laos Puppet Theatre. I am looking forward to welcoming you in Bangkok and making this symposium a learning, sharing, entertaining, and pleasurable event.